Hello to everyone! Hi you guys! It's super hot here. I'm sweating. I'm so hot. This video is 7 crazy cheap $1 summer fun meals and mystery dessert. Okay, it's hot. You have all kinds of things to do, so you need some quick meals. So what I did is I went in my stockpile and I came up with 7 tasty meals. Number 1, tuna on toast. All you need is tuna. Squeeze all the juice out and rinse it good. Melt 2 tablespoons margarine, 2 tablespoons flour, and brown the flour a little bit. And then I use shelf-stable milk. Add milk little by little. And then make toast and put your tuna on toast. Walmart. Okay, that's number 1, tuna on toast. Doesn't require much cooking and it's cheap. Number 2, baked beans and sausage. Baked beans. These are good. I got those at Dollar Tree and I forgot to take the sausage out. All these. What you can do is just cut them up and put them in the baked beans or put them on top. That's easy. That's number 2. Number 3, BLT. Okay, I've been making all kinds of bacon stuff and I have come to the conclusion that good bacon is the way to go. Good pork bacon. Lettuce and tomato I bought at 99¢ only. Mayonnaise $1. And bread from Walmart. So this is easy. Okay, then, oh, this is an easy one. Vienna sausages and eggs. Just fry the Vienna sausages in a little oil, make some scrambled eggs, and have some toast. Okay, then ham and cheese salad. 99¢ only, and I thought I had ham, but I have turkey lunch meat from Dollar Tree and some kind of cheese, and some hard-boiled eggs would be good. That is very easy. Ham and cheese salad, hash and eggs. Okay, the way I make this is I just fry the hash in a little oil, and then I just crack the eggs on top and make some toast. Okay, now the last one is tortilla chips, refried beans, cheese, chorizo, and jalapeno. So as not to make a mess, I have a plate. I better put the refried beans. This is one of these things that's going to make a lot. You can make as much as you want, but I'm kind of trying to make a $1 portion. Dollar Tree. Something fell. I need this. Okay, chips from Dollar Tree. Refried beans. This is good, you guys. And easy. And not expensive either. So you need enough chips for dipping. Okay. Now, I fried half a tube of chorizo. I have soy. That's just the kind Dollar Tree had. Well, let me put the chips all the way around. I think that'd be better. Okay, I made cheese sauce to go on my chips. Take a look at this. This is cheap too. This is Velveeta cheese. I have the cheese in the stockpile. Yummy. You can use any kind of cheese. I melted Velveeta cheese in milk. I just put some in there and I melted it. Take a look at this. So far, so good. Then I have some chorizo. You want to make sure your chorizo is all the way done. I think raw chorizo would be very bad. I mean, I don't know if it would kill you, especially this kind, because this kind is soy. But, you know, just not good raw. Yummy. Okay, now, jalapenos are tasty. And this just taking me a minute to make this. And then I made salsa out of Rotel tomatoes. I got these at Aldi's, ground them in the blender. So this is pretty decent. Gonna try this. Yummy. Let me get some salsa. It's really hot here. It's unbearably hot. But I'm bearing it. Okay, now here we go. So all these meals are food I had in the stockpile. Mmm. And I have some tea that I had left over. Peach tea. That is delicious. Okay, now for my mystery dessert. This would be a great layered salad. You know, like those 7-layered salad. All right, we have strawberry jello. And I made it with the speed method. Vanilla yogurt from Aldi's. Ooh, this is like the car video. Those car videos are exhausting. I can't really imagine living in my car. And then I want to spread my vanilla yogurt on top. If you guys take this to a party, none will be left. None. Yummy. Okay, now. I got this fruit at Walmart. I like this stuff. It's really good. So then I will just take some, you can put the fruit in the Jell-O, but it looks nice just if you just lay it on top too. And this is a good one because it has a lot of pears. It's got everything. It's got peaches. It's $1.18 and it comes in a nice jar too. And all the fruit, and it's good because in the fruit is a few cherries just for cuteness. Look at this, you guys. You could take this to a party. It's very refreshing and easy to make. 39-cent yogurt. I buy Jell-O when it's really cheap on sale. Yummy, yummy, yummy. All right, one more time. Tuna on toast, baked beans and sausage, BLT, Vienna sausages, eggs and toast, tortilla chips, refried beans, cheese, chorizo, jalapeno, ham and cheese salad, hash and eggs. Okay, you guys, God bless you all.